Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the server is paused or you schedule a short downtime, because backups run cleanly when files aren't changing. Next, open the Aternos dashboard and navigate to World then Backups. Click Create Backup and enter a clear name using the date and server version so you can find it later. This initial step avoids corrupted files and saves a snapshot immediately. Do it before plugins or config changes to capture a known good state. Once the backup appears, verify what it contains: world folders, plugin files, and config directories. Make sure the size looks reasonable and then download the zip to local storage or rely on Aternos Cloud, but always confirm integrity by opening the archive. If you change plugins, update configs, or make big world edits, create a new manual backup immediately. Also schedule regular backups every 1 to 3 days depending on activity. To restore, stop the server first to prevent file conflicts. Then open backups, pick the desired restore point, and confirm. Once restored, restart and test critical areas. If the restore fails or world is corrupted, re-download the backup. Zip and re-upload it, or pick an older backup point. Often a nearby snapshot fixes issues. Make sure you keep at least 3 recent backups and label ones tied to major changes so you can quickly roll back when needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.